Today we will install Docker using WSL2 as the backend versus using something like VirtualBox or VMware. What this enables you is you'll get better integration with things like VS Code and avoid switching back and forth between Windows and Linux and copying files over SSH and things like that. So firstly, you will need to install WSL2, which I will link in a video above in the eye, and then you can follow along. So once you have WSL2, you can go and download and install Docker. Just go to docker.com, get started, download for Windows. Since I'm using Windows here, I'm not going to download this again since I already have it. Go to my downloads, install this, the mandatory UAC, click yes. You'll download some packages. Now ask you this, it will ask you if you want to enable WSL2 for Windows and add a shortcut to desktop. Since I'm okay with this and I want WSL2 to be used, I'll say okay. Now this will install some files. Once this finishes, we'll get back. Since it's finished installing, we'll click on close and log out and be back. Now that we're back, I shall just click on this Docker for desktop. It may take some time since it's starting in the background, as you can see here, and there it has started. So I'll click on start. It will give you a few options over here getting started, but I'm going to skip the tutorial for now. If you want, you can go to the tutorial, and you can see here in the corner it says Docker is running. But one thing to note is go into settings and Docker engine, in resources and WSL integration. Over here you have to enable the distro of Ubuntu or whichever other Linux you have downloaded for the Docker integration. So over here I'll click on and I shall say apply and restart, and as you can see it's restarted, and right now Docker is running within WSL. This gives you the ability to use less resources and scale up or down depending on your system, on the resources required to run different Docker containers. So since this is done, PowerShell, and say docker run hello -world. Since I don't have it locally, it will download it. And there you have Docker running on WSL2. We shall do more with this Docker and see more things you can accomplish with this in the next videos. Thank you.